Crazy. Cool chat. How are we doing, man? Welcome back. Midweek. How's everyone doing? It's Wednesday, halfway through the week. Time to get some profits. If we can. Gold is pushing. No bottom wick. Interesting. What's good though? What's good, Eugene? Apologies. Apologies, G. Crypto Mania, what's good? Spion, Abdullah, Reputation, what's good? Rakus, how you doing? Chris King, what's good? How's everyone doing? Just welcome back. Big day today, guys. Big day. So, yeah, 30-minute close was not the best, but potential. Come in. If we can just close a little bit higher. Now, chat. Hopefully, you're all having the best day so far. How's all of your weeks been? Whoa, wait, let me turn this music down. I think it's too loud for you guys. Perfect. Gib, what's good? Tommy Zhang, Sammy Munir, what's good? Spion, what's good? Mateus, how we doing, man? Morning. Cool. So, guys, let's get into this analysis real quick. The weekly's flipped. Huge. The weekly is flipped and is breaking its highs. So, are we looking to fill this wick on the weekly today? It gives us 150 pips to drive. Potentially, right? You would expect just from basic, structure and our strategy that once we break this high, we should be good to continue all the way up. That doesn't mean I can take it just off the weekly break of the high. But yeah, that should be decent to go. Now, daily 2. So the previous daily closed. I mean, technically we still closed below this area here at 2361, but I'm not sure that's going to play too much of an impact here. We had a very bullish daily closure after grabbing some liquidity on the weekly, and yes, now again the weekly flipping. Weekly break of the highs is up here at 2364, so we're literally 10 pips off breaking that weekly high. So that should be good for us to continue upwards. So I'm pretty sure we have a clear direction right now. The 4-hour 2 is very bullish. Coming in to tap some areas that might be important though, so need to be a little bit careful here. It's not just a close your eyes and buy situation, at least for me. So taking that in mind, let's drop down to the hourly. What can we see in terms of buys? For me, I'm pretty sure the level's going to be around this area here. Let's put it here to start at 2364. Look to the left. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit higher. After that, it's going to be a very simple analysis today, guys. Yeah, see, perfect. Buys are going to be above 2364.8. Sells are a little bit more difficult, but they're probably going to be down here below 2355.9. I think that makes sense to me. It's quite far away, but that's perfect. That makes sense. Ideal, chat, ideal. Okay, great. So, let me just push this down. Even better. Cool, so yeah, range 1 sells 2359.7, range 2 2355.95. That's absolutely perfect for me for sales. Obviously though, we are looking for the buys more importantly, because going with that overall higher time frame, that continued push, that's going to be the best play for us right now. So very simple analysis today, chat, but realistically that's all you need. That's all you need right now. Oh bro, I thought there was a weird sound coming. It was like the bubbles releasing from my drink. Cool, chat. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Appreciate it very much. Other than that, how you doing? Guys? It's the debut for my funded today using Traders Connect 2. Hey, let's go, Sammy. Good luck, man. Good luck. Don't be worried if the first trade is a loss. For me, I swear, every single fund that I try and take, first trade is a loss. I think it's just part of the game. I think it's I don't know, the revenge arc. But yeah, just come back from the gym. Good shit, Gib, good shit. Nice early workout from you. Throw the shoe down the well. Ridiculous from you, Tyler. What's good though, bro? How you doing? Good, Jay. Behind you, what's good? How we doing? Cool, chat. So, the only issue I'm seeing right now is this 30 has come up no bottom wick and tapped the level and started to reject. So, that's the only thing that I would see that we might reject, sort of in the in the intermediary in the short-term time frame just here. But I think overall that's not going to stop us from pushing up, obviously. Chat, I had a little bit of fun last night, I can't lie. Someone commented on one of my TikToks about risk to reward. So I just started shitting on risk to reward traders. And might have been a mistake. So funny. I need to reply to them though. This guy's getting, someone just said 90% win rate, 0 losses posted on TikTok. Guru starter pack. Little does he know that we take all these trades live. Crazy. What happened about what's good, Rays? Nah, it's just idiots on TikTok. But I'm doing it on purpose. It's great engagement, I can't lie. It's absolutely great engagement. What's good, Spion, Maleko? How you doing? Fact is, they've got to be told, the Mingo Mongos. Yeah, it's funny. It's actually funny because my TikTok doesn't really have many followers, so to them it probably does look like I'm a fake guru or whatever. But yeah, funny. How's everyone doing in the chat? How's everyone's week so far? Are we sat in profit? Are we in a negative week? Break even? What are we looking like? Just read the comments. Bro, Rays, I know. Oh, I just read the comments. Yeah, I know. Crazy. I'm going to reply to them all after stream, on video. I'm just going to wind them up. So funny. Engagement. Pretty good so far, up 3% for the week. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go, man. That's good. That's huge. I think I'm only up like 1.5% this week, so you're beating me. You're beating me. GG's. Good morning, good evening to all the traders here on this awesome and educational stream. May all the stream viewers have an awesome learning today. Wish you all the best of luck. Hey, let's go, Creed. Appreciate you again, brother. Much love. Heavy rejection off of this 30-minute yesterday. This is similar to the trade that I took yesterday in New York. We took a little onion play off of a rejection like this. But at this point, with the weekly re-breaking its highs, I don't think I can take that. Imagine the weekly just re-broke the highs right now and then just decides, you know what, daily's going to flip and we come down. You help with the confidence, bro. Credit to you. Hey, let's go. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. I'm very glad. But yeah, let's see, chat. So, I do think there's a lot of potential for us today. Maybe we need to grab some liquidity right now on this 30, but realistically, we should be good to continue upwards here. Even if we take advantage of an onion play like this, or, you know, something similar. Yeah, exactly, Crypto Maniac. An onion play off of 2360 to come up could be clean. Exactly. Onion play down here, re-break the highs, and fly. That could be huge. You are very, very right. Very, very right. But yeah, chat, we're getting close to 2.3k subs right now. That's huge. That's absolutely huge. We've been growing like crazy. Appreciate you all very, very much. Good morning from Sweden. Good morning, Cookie. How are you? Good morning. Accidentally made 110 pips yesterday. I had to put a buy limit. I was out. The news made my trade activated, and when I turned my PC on, it was up 27%. That was a mistake. Should have deleted it before. Well, I guess you got lucky, man. I guess you got lucky because, yeah, you made the mistake and it could have gone the opposite way, but luckily it didn't. So you're chilling. Take it, but make sure you don't do that again. Oh, chat, I can't wait to reply to all these RR comments. I reckon there's like 30 on one TikTok. Like, can't trade negative RR, it's just not possible. You can trade negative RR, then you'd just be gambling. That's what someone said. It's crazy. That's a clip for sure. Not my bad. Yeah, that is a clip. Not lie. Now, real talk though. Someone was like, "You can't be profitable. Show your balance." It's like, how does that make me profitable as well? Like, think about this, chat. Just showing my balance wouldn't prove if I was profitable or not. I could deposit 100k and then show you a 100k balance, and it wouldn't mean I'm profitable. You can't tell me that hedge funds have positive IRR most of the time, bro. That's what I said. That's what I said in the video. They don't care about IRR. Someone was like, they don't even talk about pips, they talk about points. And I was like, gee, go and Google what the definition of a pip is. He's like, no, they don't talk about pips, they talk about points only. I was like, okay, what does pip mean? You Google it, it's points in percentage. But yeah, we're good. Positive vibes only, chat. I'm just playing with these guys. There's definitely nothing to worry about or nothing like that. It's just funny. Bit of morning entertainment, right? I saw a video of this guy trading on the floor, risking 2 mil to make 200k. Yeah, exactly. That's what they do. That's what they do. Yeah, when you move stop loss to break even and it's infinity IRR, you're right. You know, I should do that actually. I should do that and make a video. Like, I should go break even like ultra quickly, and then say this is an infinity or a million risk to reward play. Take 10 pips, and then I get so many haters, but so many comments. What's the criteria for a valid onion play? That's a very good point. Let me very good question. Sorry, not a good point, but let me answer that for you right now. For an onion play, what you realistically want to see is, well, the best way for me to take them, I mean, we took one against the bias yesterday, which you can do. For me, the best thing to do is to take it with the bias. So what I'd be looking for is something like this now to come down and close somewhere near the bottom of this range like this, right? Then I'd want the next candle to be looking at closing bullish, or at least, you know, doji, but realistically bullish, and the stronger bullish the better. So something like this, okay, with a big liquidity grab to the downside. Now, it doesn't have to have the big liquidity grab, but obviously it's much better if it does. Then what I'm looking for on the next candle is the candle to open with a bottom wick. Now, if it can tap into this level, even better, but bottom wick is fine. And then once that either flips or breaks this high, so you can either take it on the flip of this candle or the break of that candle high, then we'd be in there to continue up to the next, you know, or either to the top of this range, or if you want to hold till further on, right? Essentially what it is just a you're taking advantage of a retest or a pullback, let's say. So you see how in this situation here we have the, you know, initial push up, then we get a little bit of a pullback, and then we're just looking to take advantage of that continued push right there. And that's essentially what an onion play is, taking advantage of the higher highs and higher lows being formed. Make sense? Hopefully it does. Someone clip that explanation for me, please, chat, if you could. That'd be huge. Tyler, your jokes. Clip. Yeah, cool. Appreciate it. Yeah, send that in to me. Might make it a YouTube video. SG, last 30-minute range has no top wick. Sorry, not last 30-minute range. SG, last 30-minute has no top wick. Also, it closed above the range. How should we trade this? This question pops in my mind whenever I see the setups. Please be kind to answer my question, SG. Last 30-minute has no top wick. Also closed above the range. Well, for me, it didn't really close above the range, right? If you look on the 30, the range you want it to be aggressive, the range is down here, right? I suppose, yeah, technically it closed above here, but like it closed above this range, you're right. But the point is that we've already pretty much filled this range and no top wick. So for me, there's no play there because firstly, yes, no top wick, which indicates there's no range to continue up. Secondly, you've already filled the range pretty much. Your next resistance level is only like 10 pips away. Well, now it's already tapped into that, right? So it's gone. But when they're closed, your next resistance is very close. You don't want to be, you know, taking something when we've already filled the range like that. That's just too, I don't know, that is too low RR for me. I can't lie. Even for me, right? That's like 0.2 RR or something. That's a little bit low. What's the celery play? Is it in the inverse of the onion? Celery play is a little bit different. Celery play constitutes a closure above and then a closure respecting the level, right? So let's say that we close above this level right now, and then for some reason the next candle doesn't flip or doesn't push or whatever it is. You know, we get a closure like this, bearish, but respecting this level. So as long as we're respecting this level and closing above it, then we're good to go. And then we wait for a bottom wick on this candle and a break of this high. Once that candle breaks that high, then we'd be good to take buys from that, you know, from that high being broken. And that's the celery play essentially. So your buy stop would be at this level here. Then you could put your stops below this candle here, and you'll take profit at the top of the next range. Make sense? It's pretty simple again, it's just a little bit different. Would you rather 10 now or a pinky in 365 days? 10 now. 10 now. Why not? With inflation, that pinky's going to be worth way less than a tenner is now next year. That'll be like a loaf of bread or something. But cool, chat. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. 76 of in here. Yeah, and who just sent that in? What? I don't see the initial message there. Oh yeah, Spion just sent it in. Yeah, Spion just sent the Discord in. Make sure you join that Discord. It's completely free, obviously, but super valuable. Great community in there. Everyone's always helping each other out, all that good stuff. So make sure you hop in there. Yo, goat, Spion, bro. I got clipped everything. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah, chat. So we got what do we have? Oh, 10 minutes to the hourly closure here. So this is going to be an interesting close for us. Now, realistically, we need to close above this level at 2364.8 before I can do anything. The reason for that being is that we've rejected off this level many times in the past. Okay, especially when coming up from a negative day like this. So we could be looking to do the same today, and I don't want to get caught in that situation. So once we close above there, we have clean traffic to come above, just like this player here. And yeah, that should be good for us to continue upwards. This is, by the way, for the person who, oh, I think it was you behind you, but if you want to know what a celery looks like, this is a celery player right here to continue upwards. See how we closed above, bearish candle, continuation? That's that. Good morning, how are you? What's good, Boaz? How are you doing? How are we doing? Are you making a playbook PDFG? Trying to leak my source. Yeah, I need people that are good at design and stuff like that, though. I need people that are good at design and stuff like that to come shout me. Yeah, Eugene's leaking my plans. I've got a sick idea, but obviously I don't want to tell you guys yet because people are watching. Send me the necklace. What necklace? Oh, the man, the myth, the legend. Mustafa, what's good, bro? How you doing? Hello. Where is price going to today, my friend? Put my whole trading capital on news today for buyers. Wish me luck. I sincerely hope you're joking. But if not, then good luck, I guess. I would say don't do it, though. Obviously. All-time highs, ... maybe. It's bullish for now. Maybe. No, I don't think you have to say maybe on that one, Mustafa. It is bullish for now. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, where's the trumpet man? He needs to come in and pump this up. Trumpet man's the one who always secures us the win. He's the new pump it up version. Want to see a picture in the Discord? Yeah, send your chart in, bro. Why not? Why not? You need to send it in the charts for stream section though. You keep sending it in the waiting area. I don't know why you're in there. But yeah, chat, 7 minutes to the 1 hour closure here. We're starting to reject off this level, which is interesting. There's no sells for me here or anything yet. I do believe that we should be, well, we might reject to this level, but overall for the day, I think we should be good to continue pushing upwards. So I'm not really looking at sells right now, especially if we begin to re-break this weekly high here. I don't see why that wouldn't lead to a push right now. You could full port news if you wanted to, but I mean, probably wouldn't. I keep seeing some guy on Instagram though who's doing like the buy stop sell stop thing on futures, and yeah, just not a good thing to do. It will like put super wide ranges though, so like his sell stops would be like all the way down here, buy stops all the way down here, and then it would just go. It's interesting, but again, don't believe what you see on social media, right? Oh, Trumpet Man did come into the chat. Love about the Trumpet Man, but we must stay locked in. We must stay locked in. So stick around, chat. We've got 5 minutes to the 1 hour closure. It could be decent. We're halfway through the week right now. It's a positive week for us. We're 2 trades up. We're 2-0 for the week, which is good. See if we can't continue that and get some more pips today. Exclamation mark Trumpet Man. Yeah, that'd be sick if you could type that and he just starts playing. Look at the picture. You sent it in the waiting area again, my G. How do you read this chart? It's fine, bro. It's fine. It's fine. There's a charts for stream section here. You can send it there, but it's fine. Don't worry. It's a mad chart. I can't lie. Fair enough, though. proper getting into the porridge. Hey, let's go, Eugene. What have you got today in your porridge? Or is it just plain? Please don't tell me you're a plain porridge type of guy. I bet it is as well. Just, yeah. Bare peanut butter, nah. You gotta go for the, you gotta get chocolate protein powder and just whack it in. And it makes like a little soup. That's the elite meal. I need a new tub. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm not eating porridge on its own though. That's not ideal. Winning the clan war? Are we? Fire. Aren't we demolishing them? You got a protein source? Yeah, go to B&M Bargains and get yourself the gold standard protein in there. It's bare cheap. And that's probably the best protein. Oh, I didn't do my second attack. Not good for me. Oh. Yeah, we won the clan war 45-8. Didn't even take it seriously. Not ideal. Oh, that is ideal, I guess. Rejecting heavy again here though, chat. So we got 2 minutes to the closure. Potentially gonna have to wait for the next 30 minutes or something. If we close like this, we're just essentially rejecting off of the level exactly to a T, right? Which is a good sign because it indicates to us that our level is a legitimate area. But you know, point being, it's yeah, it's gonna mean we have to wait a little bit more. SG, do you, bro? I don't know if I want to read that just in case it's something suspect. I can't lie. Tyler's talking about drinking eggs, classic. Bro, I put eggs in my protein shake when I'm bulking, but I would never drink it just on its own. On its own is crazy. Show me, what's the cheap protein brand called? Eugene, have you heard of B&M, the shop? I'm pretty sure you have. Like the Mega Chav shop. Super cheap. But they actually have a sick, like, workout section. Go there. He's too lavish for B&M. Bro, the first time I ever went to B&M was to get protein because someone told me that they have it. It's the only ever time I've been in there. It is absolutely dead out. I'm not gonna lie, I hate going in there, but that's what you need to do, Eugene. It's cheap as, and yeah. This, bro. 14 squidaroonies. Gold standard. Bulk powders is good. No, I don't know. Personally, I don't like bulk powders protein. Anyway, chat, 1 hour close here right now in about 9 seconds. Closing again below the level. Now, last time we closed around here, what did we do? I mean, there's a possibility that we come and tap the level again, but for me, that's not high probability enough to take. Yeah, and top wick first. So nothing here right now, chat. This is interesting. I think we're gonna. Well, no, not. I think we're gonna have to wait for a closure above on the 30-minute at least. At least. There it is. Brokeroonie. But yeah, All good, chat. Remember, it's just the start of the day. It's literally only 9 o'clock right now. Shitload of potential. Lock it in, stay patient, and yeah, hopefully we'll catch them in today. Chat, since I moved broker too, I've had absolutely no issues, which is fire. I'm very, very happy with that. Important, right? The other day I couldn't close a trade for a while as well, which was shit. Wait, Jan, do you not think gold standard's decent? I thought that was like premium quality, because I used to go for bulk powders, but now I found that. But I thought like optimum nutrition was decent. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I need to switch up. Dead. Oh, it was good quality. That's made me upset. Well, broker, Hero FX. Broker link's just there if you want to use it. Uh-oh, just bought 10 bags right now. Yeah, fair. You've upset me, Jan. It's good stuff, but taste-wise and consistency is dead. Oh. Nah, it tastes banging. What? Alright, I like it. The double chocolate one. Or the cookies and cream one. It's good. Each to their own, I guess. But as long as the quality's good, then I'm chilling. As long as it's good quality whey, and I'm gonna get big from it, then I don't really care. Side tech whey. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, I've seen this brand. Apparently it is sick. But 60 squids for a tub, you know. Probably a big tub. Oh, that's 2.4 kilograms. Okay. That's acceptable, jeez. That's cheap then. That's huge. 2.4 kilograms of weight. You get a 5 kilogram one as well. Bro, chat, no free promo though, I can't lie. I need a deal with these guys before I'm promoting them. I've had many shakes, grenade shakes. Yeah, grenade shakes are elite, I can't lie. Grenade shakes are next level. The fudge brownie grenade shake, wow. It's just so good. But yeah, chat, we opened up with a top wick here, so realistically, there's nothing from stopping us flipping and driving down here. Now, I can't take the onion play, really. This is actually the similar trade that we took yesterday. Now, the difference yesterday was that the previous daily had closed bearish, so there was still a potential for us to be flipping bearish down here. And that trade was all the way taken down here with no 4-hour bottom wick either. So that was the reasoning behind that trade yesterday. But today is a different story. This 4-hour has a bottom wick. The daily, you know, bottom wick too, and the weekly is starting to break its own highs after flipping bullish. So for me, I can't take this onion play right now personally, but if it's in your plan, then maybe you can. I don't know. Morning, what issues did you have with IC markets? I've had no issues with IC markets EU. Yeah, sorry, I just zoned out there. No, overall, I suppose they're good enough. Just recently, well, they were banging for me until very recently, but then I started getting, I got slipped a few times, and then I had a thing where I couldn't close for a while. And then I DM'd them about it, and they just kind of said, like, nothing we can do. And I was like, right, so if I did have a major problem and I lost a lot of capital, you're going to say, oh, nothing we can do. So I don't know. I just look for a change. But I'm not here to hate on shit on any other brokers. If you want to, I think IC is still a decent broker. I'm just using Hero right now because someone told me their conditions are sick, so I reached out to them, and yeah, the conditions are good. The eggs, what's good, Joe? How you doing? Yeah, I eat eggs too. Trend cheaper than whey. Trend is cheaper than whey protein. Something to think about, guys. Just something to think about real quick. That's crazy, by the way. Grenade charge £4 a bar, eat real food, wake the fuck up. No, it's like £2.50. But yeah. Still expensive. What are you looking for? Do you want to buy or sell? So, I'm going to need to wait for a closure here. Because we rejected off this overall level here at 2364.8. Now, this was the level that we needed to close above. We came in, tapped that level, and flipped and rejected. This 30-minute now has no bottom wick, so at any given point that can flip too. So realistically, what I need to see is this 30 to flip, reflip, and close above for us to get positions. Now, that might be a bit of a long shot right now, but we're going to, you know, we're going to stay patient and wait for the ideal setup. If it has to be the 4 hour, which is closing in 50 minutes, then it has to be the 4 hour, but we'll wait and see on that one. I'm building a chicken coop for eggs and meat. Gonna get battle axes. You're actually getting chickens? That's crazy. You're gonna get too attached to them, I reckon. Bears, G. Do you have room? Probably do. Just a toy with. That is a little bit psycho, I can't lie. Just a toy with. Chat, I'm also going to start streaming on TikTok too. So I'm going to do the simultaneous streaming thing where, you know, we're live on YouTube and on TikTok. I think that'd be sick. We're going to start getting bare hate, but I think it could be good. Chat, 2.3k subs. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Growing like crazy. Growing like crazy. I used to have 5 chickens as pets. They got killed by a fox. Bro, noodle hops, that's crazy. Rest in peace. Yo, SG, what up? My man, hope all is well. What's good, M10? How you doing, bro? I'm chilling. Hope you're good, bro. Hate is gonna be insane. Yeah, maybe. TikTok is just such a toxic platform. That's why I like Instagram. I stay off TikTok and I stay off Twitter mostly. I only go on Twitter to tweet, like to make a post, and then I'm off straight away. TikTok too. I don't scroll that shit. They're both just not the best platforms, I can't lie. Big news today, bro. Yeah, indeed there is. Let me just check that actually. There's CPI, right? And there is unemployment. No, there's not unemployment. There's retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing. Yeah. Big news day. Big news day. So something to be careful of if you are trading New York. Also, it might be the case that, you know, we start to range before New York session, just in preparation of this news event. Sometimes gold likes to do that. Sometimes gold likes to chill for a little bit and then, you know, wait till news to push. But that should give us some good volume in the market either before or afterwards. Just make sure that you're not in a trade before 1:30 p.m. Instagram worse has gifts and people are worthless. I don't think anyone's worthless. I don't want to say that, but everyone has value, I guess. Somehow. I know what you mean. But Instagram for me is good, I can't lie. What's good, Aditya? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. You didn't say sorry I'm late this time. As always. Yeah, we're dropping frames right now. We are dropping frames, I can't lie. Yeah, I'm sorry about that if we start to drop. Should just be temporarily. I meant ruthless. Yeah, you're right. No, ruthless is true. Yeah. Damn, I didn't come for 2 to 3 days and things changed. What changed? Oh, Spion's mod, yeah. I can't make commands as a mod as far as I'm aware. I can give you permissions to make the commands, Crypto, if you want. And then when we need one, I'll just say, can you make one? I've only added, it's only one mod added here. The mods haven't changed. I still need to make an update to the mods. Still need to make a roster change. Not change, addition, let's say. SG, the heat is insane right now, my brother. Where you at for the heat to be big? Fluidity FX was good. Got in at 553. Got in all the way down here. My guy picked the bottom. Picked the bottom. Your chat. If we're dropping frames. Oh shit, we are dropping frames. Yo, we back? Yeah, I think we started dropping frames, I can't lie, but it says it's better now. I don't know what happened there. My internet provider sometimes just like blanks out. I really don't know, but everything's all like fiber optic and wired in, so I don't know, but can you we back? You can see me, hear me, all that stuff? What is dropping frames, SG bro? It just means like when the stream starts to you know, lag out or whatever. We good? Okay, cool. Alright. My bad, chat. Apologies if there's any interruptions. Really not much I can do about it. I don't really know why it is that. But when I move country, I'll make sure I'm somewhere with consistent internet. Is this Minecraft or YouTube? Bro, you're not rocking with the background music or what? What's good there, Calm? How we doing? How we doing, brother? Yo, so we dropped frames for like a second and everyone dipped. What's going on? What's going on? Wait, can this come back or what? Crazy. So thoughts on sales right now, bro? If you check gold in the previous levels at the zone, yeah. See, this is what I'm saying. We had sales. Yeah, it's possible, but for me right now, the thing that's stopping me from doing that, firstly, is the fact that, you know, we've grabbed liquidity on the daily to push up. Secondly, the weekly is about to break its high from Monday. Now, once that weekly date breaks its high, there's not really much that you know would stop us from continuing a push. I can't lie. In my opinion, we're very bullish right now. You could be looking to take sales maybe on the 30 flip. Be a good onion play to come down. But just in my opinion, it's not a trade that I want to take. Make sense? If it's part of your plan, then realistically take it, right? That's not a problem. But yeah, if it's part of your plan, then fire away. And yeah, what does someone say? PC, there's no bottom wick on the new 1 hour. It could flip any time. Does buys make sense to you, mate? Nah. So we need to wait for closures right now. We need to wait for closures. Love the glass. What glass? $78 before a chance of any sales. Yeah, potentially. I mean, this is quite a big rejection area. Like, you are right. But then, yeah, we do have room to come up as well. So we need to wait and see here. Realistically, the 30 just stays in this range. We're going to have to wait for the 4-hour closure. You look like Potter. Crazy. Yeah, other than that, then, yeah, we'll have to wait and see, to be honest. That's tough that the stream restarted, I can't lie. That's tough. I suppose it's part of the game. We were on like 120. We'll get back there. Cool though. So can we push here? We've got 13 minutes to the next 30 closure. After that, it's going to be the 4-hour in 43 minutes. But yeah, lots of potential, guys. So make sure you keep it locked in right now. Hopefully you guys have had a good start to May so far. I think it's been a little bit slow for us for May. I mean, yeah, it's been slow, but it's not been a bad month. We haven't lost in May actually. Crazy. Yeah, we're still doing well. Just a little bit slower, but it is what it is. Guys, I'm going to be dropping another vlog today as well, hopefully. Another vlog today, so like another day in the life, essentially. I think it should be good. It should be a decent amount of value. You guys are really enjoying the last one, to be honest. You guys are really enjoying that last one. So I'm going to keep pumping content like that out. If you guys want to see anything different, then, you know, let me know. But I think... yeah, I think they're doing well. The quality as well is gonna increase. So I've just, you know, invested in a lot more high quality editors and all that sort of stuff. So it's just gonna be a big increase in everything. So if you want to get that, the link's over here. You can watch that in after the stream. But yeah. Yo, Bedge, what's good, bro? How you doing? How you doing, man? Chat pushing here, so there's potential for us to grab a trade on the 30-minute closure if we do close above correctly. So 10 minutes, see how that goes. If we can close properly, then we'll look at taking a trade. The weekly just rebroke its high though, I do believe. Yeah, it did. It did. So that's something that's going to be very interesting. Let's see how that plays out there. What are you guys hitting at the gym today though? If you're training, what are you training? The rest day, fair enough. Let me know what day it is. I think for me, actually I don't know what I'm training today. Legs maybe? Yeah, and what we training? Or what are you training? Pull? That's fire. Bro, Mateus, pull days. Pull days elite, I can't lie. Legs today. What's good, Sam Crypto? How you doing? I'm too poor to afford gym fees now. Biggest excuse in the world. I hear that so many times. I hope you... Like, I think you're joking, to be honest, but... yeah. That's the world's biggest excuse. Wednesdays are just cardio. Nah, yeah, and train with me. Why not? Gym fees here are like 17 a month. Yeah, exactly. Do I do running in the morning? Okay. No, that's fine. As long as you're doing some exercise. If it's running, then fair enough. Or just do a shitload of push-ups. Why not? The 15 did grab a bottom wick and then flip before coming up. So that could be of interest. I'm conscious that the 30-minute and the 1 hour has no No bottom wick though, so at any given point it could just come down and flip on us. However, you know, saying that we've driven very often without a bottom wick before on gold, so just something that could be of interest. WSG vlogs for real, bro. Hey, let's go. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, the vlogs, I'm enjoying filming them. Wait till you guys see what, oh my days, guys. Wait till you guys see what I've got coming. The new videos that I'm filming. Tough. It's fire. I can't lie. I got some sick videos coming. New scenery. New day in the lifestyle stuff. Lots of stuff. I can't lie. I'm going to take a trip probably as well and film that. I'm trying to figure out where to go though. I was looking at maybe going to Dubai for a couple of days, for like 4, 5, 6 days. But the issue is, I want to go in June, right? And it's 40 degrees. That's way too hot. 40 degrees is crazy. Like, I was talking to Hugh about it. He's like, most people just don't even go out in the day. It's too hot. So how can I go there and just sit in an AP or wherever it is and not go out? Hi, Tremors. Lone Trader, what's good, bro? How you doing? How you doing, man? How's the market for editors, bro? It's packed, isn't it? A lot of top quality editors as well. Like, yeah, but for some reason, well, not for some reason, I understand it, but with all the culture of like social media marketing agencies and editing agencies and all of that, they've all just decided to put their prices up ridiculously. Like, I had someone quote me 300 per vlog, and I was like, bro, Dubai is overrated. Yeah, maybe. The thing is, I have some context there that I wanted to go and meet, maybe film a podcast, and also it's very good for content, right? But I feel you, Joe. I feel you. Also, I was thinking about Miami as well. There's a podcast that I can go to there. I was thinking about taking a trip there. But then I don't know if I want to go to America. I don't know. After long, Buddy came to stream because I was trading A's and chess and had a busy routine during London. All good, man. Welcome back. Welcome back. Miami's sick, bro. You can watch Messi as well. That's true, actually. I don't really know if I want to go watch an MLS game. American football fans, not the one. Yeah, this could pop here, by the way. When we break this high just now, expect a pop because we're re-breaking the weekly highs and obviously the hourly highs. So yeah, expect that pop. Is there a problem if there's no bottom wick on this 30-minute candle, especially if it closes above the range? It is a little bit of an issue, yes. It is a little bit of an issue because at any given point it could be a fake out. However, I'm thinking that due to the, you know, confirmations on the higher time frame, we should be good. We should be good. So if this 30-minute forms a top wick and you know, leaves a top wick for us to take, and then also gives us a bottom wick on the next opening, a decent one, then I'd be looking at taking that, and I'd be okay with it. Break-even point will be around here, I think, 2366.9, unless we fill up higher just now, which we might do. But I think we should be able to come and tap into that level at least. Now, yeah, I'm seeing sort of this wick rejection over here as well, which is interesting. So I want to see how we react right now. But like I said, guys, you could see a pop right now. It's exactly what you know, exactly what I said. But it makes sense. But at the same point, doesn't mean we can take a trade off of it, right? Just clocking in after doing my analysis, and we got similar ranges. Hey, let's go Remy season. Good stuff, man. Always a good feeling. Always a good feeling. What's the difference between a minor and major level when marking them out? Major level would have been respected multiple times, right? So, for example, take a look. You see how we've tapped into this level, you know, numerous times, over and over and over. Here. Respected it. I would say that makes it a major level. And also, you know, when you're looking down here, you see you have a level like this, you know, where we've literally respected this level here, and then in the, like, you know, most recent times as well, respected it there. That's a major level. A minor level would be either lower time frame or, you know, something like this, where essentially it's not a massive rejection because it realistically was just a pullback, but it's still, you know, something to take into account. That's how I take my levels. Looking left, I'm seeing 23.63 for bottom wicks. Yeah. Thing is, right, on the 30, yeah, tapping into this, even 23.64 would be okay to tap into, in my opinion, but obviously the lower the better. If we could even come down and make a bottom wick, chat, this is flying. How far is this driven? I think it's only 50 pips. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Stops aren't too big, but yeah. Realistically, we need a bit of a pullback here because we're starting to fill this entire range right now. If we fill the range and we have no advantage point, then what can I do? But you know, chat, you would have expected this to do this anyway with that weekly break of the highs. Right, I need to cook up some fire replies to those TikTok comments. I can't lie. I'm going to cook something up. But I realized I just said but and then took a drink, which is probably not the best thing to do, but there you are. We have a 30-minute close in 1 minute and 50 seconds here. Yeah, the wick fill on the weekly is huge. It's probably, yeah, the target for at least, you know, the week or the day. Issue is, how can we get an entry for that though? Because now we've already came up and tapped into these levels that we were looking at tapping. You see how, you know, oftentimes we've rejected at this higher level just here, at this level at 23.69, and then again, wait, where was I looking? Oh, that's too far. Is that on the 30? Let me see. Am I cooked or what? There was a level here. Yeah, so we rejected at this level here and here before. So if we come and like start to tap into that again, then you're getting to the point where now, you know, we've almost filled the range already. Just looks a little bit chalk, don't you think? Especially since, imagine this 30-minute close with no top wick. Realistically, chat, it might have to be a 4-hour play. We're tapping into a 4-hour major level, right? So again, when you ask what's a minor or major level, the other thing too is, you know, obviously the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. This level has been tapped into multiple times on the 4-hour, on the dot, before rejecting. So at that point, it gets a little bit tough. Gold is unreal. It actually did close no top wick. No bottom wick, no top wick, and a top wick first, chat. So yeah, wow. No trade for me right now. We're gonna have to wait till the 4-hour close. That's gonna be in 30 minutes, so stay patient, you know. Same as every single day that I've been talking to you guys. Every time that we have, you know, an opportunity like this where we think we're going to get a position and it doesn't come, and we stay patient, eventually it comes. For example, yesterday, or the day before that, sorry, let's use the day before that as the example. Day before that, we're waiting for closures above after, you know, the fake out, all the way down here. We waited. Didn't get it on stream. Then an hour after stream closed, we got that fake out, closed back above. Took the buys, closed 40 pips, full TP hit, right? Same thing happens over and over again. If you exercise that patience and that discipline, you know, think of it as like investing in a future trade. So right now, you take a trade and lose, then you're done for the day or whatever. But if you know, be patient, you're investing in that future trade to come. And you just have to wait to cash in. Trade is based off the 4 hour. No entry on 30s, so waiting for the 4 hour close. Yeah, wait for the 4 hour right now. Damn SG, all these pushes can't find them entries. It is what it is, eh? Yeah, what's good, DK? How you doing, bro? Yeah, I know. Literally no possibility for an entry right there, regardless of what you think. You know, absolutely nothing I could do. 150 pip stops in the 4 hour. That's the next concern, right? That is the next concern. Is that it's going to need to be at least 150 pip stops on the 4. TP smashed, called it. I'm in buys from 23.62, 23.69.7. GG's, bro. Good trade. Good trade. If it was part of your strategy, then fire. If it was an impulse trade, then maybe not, but I'm sure it wasn't. The thing that we can also do, chat, is we can use the hourly for stops too. However, that does get a little bit more difficult, because then at that point, if we come down and grab a bottom wick for the previous hourly, then it gets a little bit tough, right? But we just have to wait and see here. If I can stop yawning, that'd be huge. But yeah, I want to do a Trendlines meetup soon. Sometime this year, maybe the end of the year. I think that'd be crazy. I wonder if enough people would actually come to make it worth it. I wonder if enough people would actually pull up. What's good, Dan? How you doing, bro? How many hours do you sleep? Normally I get 8 hours, but recently, like the past, I don't know, month or so, it's been like 5-ish. Which I know is not enough, but part of the game. Truly is part of the game. Unfortunately. SG, what's the fastest way to burn stomach fat? Unfortunately, you can't really spot reduced fat. Actually, didn't they bring out a study that proved that wrong? I don't know. Jan's your best guy to ask for that. But either you can get the on-site fat injections, but I wouldn't advise that. It's very unhealthy and expensive. Or you can, you know, get in a calorie deficit, work out what your maintenance is, get in a calorie deficit, and then do a shitload of cardio and train abs. Or get a plan off Jan. Jan's Plans. Today's stream sponsored by Jan's Plans. Nah, he does cook up though. I'm not affiliated or anything, but he does do good fitness plans and diet plans. And you want to come to Dubai, but here we're cooking half fry under the sun. Bro, this is what I'm saying. I was literally last night about to book flights to Dubai. And then I looked at the weather and it was like 42 degrees or something. And I was like, bro, I'm not going to be able to do anything in the day. I wanted to rent a car. I wanted to do cool ass shit. I wanted to make it like a big experience. And yeah, just, bro. Too hot. That's surely too hot. Bro, realistically, when I was in Greece and it was 36 degrees, I was like, this is tough. But 40. Bro, 40. Yeah, look at this, man. It's like hot as a bastard. Not really any wind either. Excessive heat. No Dubai this time of year, bro. Fucking yeah, I know, man. I wanted to go so bad though, but yeah, might not be the vibe. Hugh was like, he's a madman. He was like, yeah, nah, you gotta wait till September. It's even hotter. I was like, bro, I don't need it to be hotter. I need it to cool down a little bit. Come to Islamabad, my G. What's good? Escaping the Matrix. One day I'll come to Islamabad. No birds this time around either. Well, I'll be going with my girl, so that's probably a good thing. What's good, Neo? How you doing? Sup, I lost about 60% of my account in 8 months' time. Any advice? Well, the positive thing is that you kept your account for over 8 months. So, you know, that's good. You know, most people blow their accounts in a couple of weeks. Do you know where Islamabad is located? Yes, it's Pakistan, right? It's the capital of Pakistan. Anyway, back to that. So, any advice? I would say, bro, what strategy do you trade and what are you trading right now? And do you collect data? Do you journal your trades, all that stuff? How's your psychology? Let me know how all that is and I can sort of give you some advice. Because we need to diagnose what the problem is first before you can, you know, try and get any fixes. Oh yeah, I forgot you've got a girl there. Yeah, I do. I do indeed. Yeah, you did do something right. Victory settings is right. You did something right. The fact that you've kept it for 8 months is huge. Most traders can't even keep their account for that long. It's already blown. So, good stuff. GG's. And yeah. Can you explain why Wix is so important for us to get in a trade? What's good, Moin? Or Moeen? Yeah, of course. So, wicks are important because it shows the liquidity grab, right? So, before we get into every trade, we need 3 things. We need direction, we need liquidity, and we need volume. The direction is obviously going to be dictated by the higher time frames, right? So, you know, the 1, the 4, the 30, and obviously the daily and everything, etc. So, for example, we've got direction right now. We've got bullish direction. We need volume. We obviously have that because we're pushing. But now we need liquidity too, and this is the reason we couldn't have gotten this trade. Liquidity is shown in the form of wicks, right? So for example, if you look on let's look on the weekly, actually, it's a premium example. The weekly now has come down and grabbed all of these orders from below here. So when we come down and you know, form a wick, this is grabbing orders. You know, so there's a lot of buy orders down here. A lot of buy orders will have got stopped out too, which puts more liquidity into the market. And yeah, buy limits get triggered, you know, and then once price starts to push up again, sells are getting stopped out. So again, it's just, you know, an opportunity for us to come down, grab liquidity, and then there's enough liquidity or let's say, you know, power in the market for us to continue upwards. Now, once we grab that liquidity, we know that realistically, we shouldn't come down and grab liquidity again. So for example, right now, the weekly has grabbed this liquidity and flipped. If it comes back down and re-breaks this low right now, that would be pretty irregular for us. We wouldn't expect that to happen. So the same applies to the lower time frames. Let's look at, you know, the 1 hour. The 1 hour has not grabbed liquidity. So, you know, we've come up and we haven't grabbed liquidity. So at any given point, this could be the liquidity. And this is the importance of wicks that I'm getting to right now. So because we don't have the wick, this could be the liquidity for us to then come and rip down. You know, I'm not saying it is or it isn't, but it could be. Now, if we would have come down first and grabbed that liquidity and then ripped up, now we know, you know, that we've grabbed enough orders for us to continue pushing. Now, because of that, we can, you know, we can see a continuation upwards. However, we haven't grabbed a wick and there's no liquidity. So at any given point, this candle could flip and reverse. and yeah, we'd be left in a little bit of trouble. So that's essentially why we need wicks. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. I'm conscious we're dropping frames again there, I can't lie. I do journal. I've been following DVS for a while, and I did win about 65%, but the RR just doesn't make it profitable. Kind of thinking about changing strategy, but that feels like starting over. Yeah, changing strategy is not ideal. It depends if you're trading like us or trading like, you know, DVS do now. Right? Because essentially, yeah, chat, clip that liquidity explanation, please, as well. I much appreciate it. Essentially, what was I saying? Oh yeah, with the way, you know, the DVS trade now, I don't trade that way personally, and there's nothing against them or how they trade or whatever, but the RR makes it massively difficult. Whereas, you know, we had a thing the other day, we took a loss the other day, and what did it end up in? It ended up in, you know, a 67 pip loss, but we made that back in about 2-3 trades. I can't remember what it was, maybe 4 or 5 trades actually. You know, so it's not wiping out your entire month, whereas I can see what you mean with, you know, the other side of it, where, you know, a 150 to 300 pip loss or whatever is going to wipe out your whole month. You know, so maybe go back to the old playbook, go to the old strategy, or maybe adapt and try and, yeah, figure out a way that you can trade that strategy with smaller stops. Start sample sizing that, and just figure out what works best for you. That's what I'd say personally. But, you know, there's ways that you can do it. So you can work out, you could essentially, I'm not sure about this, so don't take this as advice or anything, but there might be a way that you could sample size taking entries on the 1 hour and using 5-minute candles for stops, for example, like below this liquidity point here. Or, you know, you could look at taking wick entries on the 4. This is something that I do as well. Or wick entries here and use, you know, 5-minute entry points and then 5-minute stops. You know, for example, you might see an onion being formed on the 5, and that's actually just a 4-hour wick entry. Whatever it is, you know, you can just figure out a way to lower your stops and improve that. But again, it's just all about collecting data, all about sample sizing and all that good stuff, and you'll figure it out. 1 hour candle is ugly, not gonna lie. I don't think it is. I mean, yeah, the bottom wick's not good. If we can close somewhere around this area, we should be good to continue upwards, especially the 4 looks nice. The 4, again, if we close here on the 4, it's clean traffic, like Cryptomaniac said, to come up to a minimum, I'd say 2386. Maybe that doesn't happen straight away, but realistically, you should be filling this wick up to 2378. You're not starting over at all. If anything, you still have the knowledge and experience on your side. I trade like DVS, but slightly different, and SG is the same. I also adapted a second strat, and it's working really well. Yeah, exactly. That's the goal, man. That's the goal, and WBED for that. But yeah, that's exactly it. Just adapt everything to what works for you. Thanks, man. Really appreciate it. I'm new here, so I'll be following you for a while now. But how exactly do you play stops personally? Yeah, so. It's an interesting question with what's going on currently. Usually stops are below the previous 1 hour. So for example, I think if we were looking at, you know, taking this breakout above here, like this, stops would have been, you know, below here. But I didn't take this trade specifically for the point that stops were too big. Stops are normally for us around 40 to 60 pips, always below the previous 1 hour. However, there's no bottom wick on this previous 1 hour, so I can't use that as stops, unfortunately, which would mean I'd need to use either the previous 1 or the 4. And that makes it a little bit tough for us, guys, because the stops are fucking big right now, especially if we just drive like this, you know? There was no entry for us either, so yeah, it's just a little bit tough. Gold is really testing everyone's patience recently, eh? Yeah, chat, it's dropping frames again. I really am not sure why. I do apologize. This is not a usual occurrence. It's just we started dropping frames out of nowhere. Absolutely no clue why. Hopefully it fixes itself. It's just a bit, yeah, it's a bit tough. There's nothing I can do. So for an entry in a bullish market structure, we look for a decent bottom wick, so we know that price has already come down to take people out of their liquidation, out of their positions, so there's more probability of going up. Yeah, exactly that. That's exactly right, bro. Exactly right. Yeah, chat, I'm sorry for the frame drops. Again, nothing I can do. It's annoying though. That is annoying. What news do you think? What's good, Yawn? Personally, I don't really, you know, analyze the fundamentals of what news will do and won't do. What we like to do is we like to stay out of news and then watch where the direction goes and then, you know, hop on the journey. For example, you know, if we start to push up and get a closure and then break the lows and continue up, then we'll take plays. We'll take positions for that, but we don't trade the initial news push. Damn SG, all these pushes, can't find the entry, all these 2 pips I'm missing. Yeah, bro. Tough. Tough. You would have had like 60, 72 pip moves. SG, look at 11th of April 2024, 4-hour close. Looks like the same move. 11th of April. This move here, right? Yeah. It's similar, eh? It's a pretty good mirror, actually. Good point, Dan. That's a pretty good mirror. If you look at this chat, see, that's what I love. Like, I hadn't even seen that, and someone, you know, in chat, obviously Dan pointed it out. That's huge. But yeah, chat, it's a similar move, right? Obviously, we didn't come down as far, but you know, we're beginning to come up here, retrace, push up again, and similar area for a 4-hour close, especially with a similar 4-hour structure. Interesting. That could mean that we continue to push no bottom wick. However, that doesn't mean I'm going to take it no bottom wick. Yeah, did we cut out or something? Yeah, XYZ, you're a troll, bro. You're a troll. Chat. This is so fucking annoying. Bro, that's so tough. Sorry, chat. Yeah, they said stream ended. I've got no clue why. No clue why. That's a piss take. Maybe I need to DC and reconnect my internet, but I'm not going to do that whilst I'm streaming, so a little bit tough. It'll be better by tomorrow, chat. I promise. I promise. We get a big push to 2400. Potentially. Yeah, potentially. I don't know if you guys saw my explanation there either, which is annoying because I was going quite into detail, but it is what it is. That's part of the game. We move. We move. We move. And yeah. Apologies again, chat. If it cuts out a couple more times, we'll just call it. Because, yeah. That's not ideal. Are we back, chat, or nah? Are we back? Sincerely hope we are. Yeah, we're back. Okay. Back down to 61 viewers. All good. All good. Streamer, yeah, I can't believe we reconnected, but it's fine. It is what it is. We'll wait for the 4-hour close. If we don't get an entry off that, then, you know, it might be time to start closing off. Yeah, closing off the stream. It's you, bro. What's up with the stream today, bro? I don't know. My fucking internet provider. I'm going to have to ring them after this because I pay for premium Wi-Fi. And, bro, I'm not getting it. So I need to invest in that. Not invest. I've already invested. I mean, I need to investigate is what I was trying to say. But let's see, chat. 9 minutes to disclosure. Real ones stick around every time we drop off, so I appreciate you all for staying around. Drop a like if you haven't already, especially since we're crashing out so much. Maybe we can boost the numbers back up, but yeah. We come down to 2364.2, no top wick. I may consider a wick entry. 2364.2. I don't think that's a tall order, bro. I think that's reasonable. But I'd probably be looking at around 2363.3. That's what I'd probably be looking at. That's a pretty good mirror of these moves. 2363.3, somewhere around there should be good. Happens, bro. We here to stay. Yeah, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thanks for the support, guys. No, I'll fix it. I mean, it happens rarely, but still not good enough. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, chat, if you can't already tell. Cool. I can already see it closing and volume just drops off, bro. It's beyond. Trust me. Trust me. I can see that happening as always. As always. Yeah, Adam, I'm going to close the Zoom real quick. Apologies. If you could jump in on the YouTube, just because I'm going to try and save some bandwidth because my internet's playing up. Apologies, but yeah, I'm going to close the Zoom real quick because I think that might help. Alright, cool. Maybe that helps. Who knows? Elon, give us Starlink, G. Is Starlink high speed or not? Because I'm connected through Ethernet and okay, appreciate you, Adam. Thank you for understanding that. Nah, man, I won't drop off if we get to 100 likes before the 4-hour close. Yeah, bro, what's good volume? We're not gonna get to 100 likes before the 4-hour close because the stream ended and everyone well, I don't think everyone dropped off. I think you get kind of like kicked off. So, yeah, it is what it is. But 100 likes is tough. Actually, no, we're not doing too bad. Very expensive though. Is it fast though? Because like, surely fiber optic's better, no? You need anything for it? I swear they can just like, yeah, you just like get a little dish. It ends, plays an ad, then comes back. Oh, my bad. Yeah, that's tough. Apologies. Bro, how much is Starlink? I'm just looking. 349 and then 70 quid a month. 75 quid a month. Is that cheap for Wi-Fi? I think that's cheap for Wi-Fi, no? What's good, Saddam? How you doing? Yeah, we pulling back nicely. Yeah, 100%. We're pulling back. Yeah, this is what makes me, you know, worry about go like, you know, Bali or somewhere like that and living there, because if I can't get consistent Wi-Fi in England, then how am I going to get good Wi-Fi like in a more third world country? Like, how am I meant to do that? Oh no, the stream interruption killed the clips. No way. That's tough, G. Oh no, I didn't. I can still see him. I think I can still see him. I don't know. A lot of people will sell gold after watching double top, but we trade like DVS, bro. Yeah, we have to wait and see. Here, chat. In Bali, internet is pretty bad. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I wanted to move there, but if the internet's tough, how am I going to stream? Like, genuine question, chat. What do you guys think? Is there a fix for that, or? That's why Starlink's good. You can operate it anywhere. But can I buy Starlink and then move country and take the dish with me and then have Wi-Fi? Probably not, right? Elon Musk, you know, changing the game. Got 4 minutes disclosure here. If you can still hear me and we're not lagging out, then yeah, lock it in. Appreciate you all very, very much. I'm gonna see what we got in this 4-hour close here. Darling, yes. That might be the one then. I might have to invest in some Tesla technology. I know it's not Tesla, guys, by the way. But, yeah. It's alliteration. Okay. 4 minutes. Lock it in here. Big close. Indeed, big close. Bro, chat, what is going on? The Wi-Fi is going to make me start scrapping people. I'm joking. Just joking. 1 hour, not got bottom wick. Yeah, I know, but Alwyn, if it closes, then it's fine. Keep that dump on previous level, SG, bro. What, here? On the 1? Yeah, I see it, but the thing is we're having a 4-hour close here, right? Lag Nation in the building. Chat, my bad. If the 4-hour close does nothing, we'll end stream. Real apologies for this. I really don't, I don't know what's going on, but I'll have it fixed by tomorrow. Tough. SG gonna slap the internet provider guy, bro. Trust me. I'm gonna go to the wherever it is. I don't know what I have. I think I have BT. Go scrap him. Not even a big deal, to be fair. It is a big deal if it keeps dropping off, though, because that's firstly annoying to you, secondly annoying to me. And if you get slapped with an ad every time it closes, then that's even worse. I don't want that to happen, so. New areas for buy if we close and get a steeper wick. Yeah, if we close in here and get a nice little 4-hour bottom wick, we can either look at a wick entry down here at around 2363.2, or we're gonna look for the flip entry, obviously. Either one. What's the plan for our closure? I literally said it. That's crazy that you ask at that same time. Managed to catch that move up on the 5-minute. Hey, let's go, Callum. Good stuff. GG's. Isn't that a range 2 breakout, kinda? Yeah, it's a range 2 breakout, but we don't need a range 2. But yeah, it is. I mean, it's broken through about 4 ranges right now. But yeah, this play would be on the 1, because on the 4, sorry, because on the 1 there's a rejection area right here. On the 4, however, it's absolutely clean traffic. So we would have to take it on the 4 and then be driven by the 4, if that makes sense. Bro, ask BT to refresh your connection on their end. Yeah, I will. But I have to ring them, right? And I'm not going to sit on hold on stream. She's like... So, guys. 40 seconds to the close there, chat. Is there an issue on my phone or some issue in the camera? Nah, guys, I'm having some weird Wi-Fi issues right now. I don't know why. So, yeah, you just have to bear with me. This is not a regular occurrence. It's just, yeah, it's just what's happening. So, apologies. But, yeah. Camera freezing, yeah. Let's see, chat. 19 seconds to the closure, though. Let's see what happens. If we close like this, it's pretty chalked. Can't lie. We need to pull back a little bit. Okay, we did pull back a little bit. How big of a bottom wick is that leaving us? Sorry, top wick, 10 pips. Came up first to make a top wick on the 4. So, chat. I think that's going to have to be it. I can't lie. I think that's going to have to be it because... Firstly, the Wi-Fi issues are annoying me. Not annoying me, but it's just not ideal. And secondly, yeah, top wick first on the 4 is not good. So, chat. Appreciate you all very much for being here. Do you want to play Pixel Letters? Is the connection good enough for us to play Pixel Letters or not? Let me know. What do you think? W Discipline. Hey, thank you, Neo. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, you'll learn that. Like, I know you're new here, but you'll learn that our discipline is next level. There's no one that's as disciplined as us, because, well, realistically, look, we've taken what? 13 trades in the last 3 months on stream. So, yeah. Discipline is the key over here. Right, we'll play some Pixel Letters. Again, guys, thanks for bearing with me today with the Wi-Fi. I'll have it fixed tomorrow. And yeah, not much else I can say. For you guys to see that. Bro, chat, look at that. That was a crazy clutch up, no? What the hell? What's your RR? A million. Million to one. That was a crazy, crazy clutch. Chat, yeah, stream's pretty done out. I'm gonna call it here. Appreciate you guys very, very much. Thanks for sticking with the quality today. I don't know what happened, but still, hopefully you got some education in that stream. Make sure that you pull up tomorrow. We'll have the issue fixed. Don't worry. And yeah, pull up tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. If you're trading New York, trade responsibly. Make sure you're in the Discord. But of course, my Wi-Fi comes back the moment I'm trying to end. Alright, guys. See you all tomorrow. Peace out. No, I'm just going to end off the rip here, chat. I can't lie, because the music won't even play.